and the shape of the fuel tank is cut. Well, we'll see when we try to bend it all up. Hey guys, just wanted to show you this. We're putting the gas tank together for 24-hour build. Got it kind of tacked together. We bent most of it. And then this other part, these sections have been welded on. Got it tacked right now. Still have to do this back piece and make the bottom. And then of course, put the bung holes in. That gets you all excited. Bung holes, filler cap, bung hole in the bottom. So that's what's going on with the 24-hour bike stainless steel fuel tank. Hey guys, wanted to show you this first part of this tank we've got done here. It was a combination of the laser cut flats, and then we bent these up, and then there's some welded in panels side in the front and on the other side. Tomorrow, this is not going to stay here, don't worry, I know, we're going to cut your arm, cut your leg off. But tomorrow we will weld the seams and then make the bottom, weld the bottom in. This piece needs to be welded in also. Fillers tacked in, got to weld the drain bungs in the bottom. And you're thinking probably to yourself, why did they make the tank so big? Well, we're building this bike to run in a 24-hour race, so we don't want to be fueling every time we turn around. That's the main reason. So. All right, here we are. Well, Dirtfoot Racing here. Kind of an update on the tank build. We've got the all the sides all welded up, and got to do the back here, but we got the bottom on. Got the filler thing on the top. I got to make the bung for the bottom, and we got to position that. But isn't that thing pretty? Look at that thing. That thing's spinning nice. So yeah, we're probably gonna. We have a feeling we might polish the whole thing up shiny and just leave it shiny. Kind of a cool look. But anyways, here's the progress. We'll get some more work done probably on Monday. Get it finished up just about. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the tank, 24-hour bike with the tank sitting up on the bars, not attached permanently yet or anything. Yeah, you get that feeling because it's large, but it is big. But once again, we're building a 24-hour bike. We're not gonna be riding for 5 minutes and stopping. So, you know, maybe pairs to the car, who knows? Just kidding. But anyhow, that's the tank. Got to weld some tabs on front and back, make some mounts on the frame for it, and then I think she'll be good to. That part of the build will be finished. So, 24-hour bike, tank, gas tank, fuel tank, 90% finished. Hey everybody, just wanted a little update on the gas tank build. The ass end is on it, and the caulk is on it, and it has some water in it right now, and it doesn't seem to be leaking. So all we have to do is add an attachment point in the back and an attachment point in the front, and it should be ready to put on. So just a little update here. Just saying, look how shiny that thing is back there. Just shine this whole thing up. Make Elon Musk happy. Big stride. Oh, damn air compressor came on. Gotta go. See ya.